This question from Germany, a Turkish brother asked. He says that it is reported that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I am from the Arabs, but the Arabs are not from me." Could Huzur kindly explain this tradition?
I have never heard this tradition.
He hasn't given any reference.
So I can't answer this. A tradition which has no reference,
Yes.
and of which I have no personal knowledge, should not be treated as a tradition, because we don't know whether it's a tradition or not. So I can only comment on a tradition of which I know personally it is a tradition, or the questioner refers to the book of tradition from which he has taken it. Right? Have you heard of this, Hadith? Moreover, it's a simple statement which anyone can make. Arabs were before Rasulullah, so Rasulullah was an Arab, but Arabs did not begin with them. It's a common statement. It does not have to be attributed to Rasulullah.